In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ringcentral with HubSpot. To get started, head over to HubSpot's website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see the login button. Click on it to proceed. When the login page opens, you'll notice several sign-in options. Among these, choose Sign In with Google. It's a convenient way if your Google account is already linked to your HubSpot. Select the Google account you want to use and follow the prompts to log in. Now that you've landed on your HubSpot dashboard, let's navigate to the Marketplace. This is where the magic happens. At the top right corner, you'll see a Marketplace icon. Click on it to explore what's available. Inside the Marketplace, your next step is to find the right app. So click on Apps to open the Applications section. From here, you can browse a variety of integrations available. But today, we're focusing on one in particular. Use the search bar and type in Ringcentral. It might take a moment, but once the results pop up, look for RingX by Ringcentral. That's the integration we're interested in. Clicking on RingX by Ringcentral will take you to its app page, where you can find more details about the features it offers. But to keep things moving, let's dive straight in and click on Install App. This will initiate the installation process and get you one step closer to integrating these powerful tools. At this point, HubSpot will guide you through the installation process. This is where everything starts to come together, but to complete the integration, you'll need to link your Ringcentral account. You'll see a prompt to sign in using your Ringcentral. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide your Ringcentral credentials. This will authorize access and link the two platforms together. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Ringcentral with HubSpot. This integration helps streamline your communication workflows, allowing you to manage calls and messages directly within HubSpot. Now that it's all set up, you can explore the features and functionalities that come with this integration. I would recommend taking a bit of time to familiarize yourself with any new tabs or options that have been added to your interface. This way, you can make the most out of your newly integrated system. If you encountered any issues during the process, don't worry. Both HubSpot and Ringcentral typically offer excellent support resources, so don't hesitate to reach out to them for help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined experience of having Ringcentral and HubSpot working together seamlessly.